What's up, my beautiful babes? So how cute is this setup today? I mean, should I just be like a YouTuber from now on? Listen, I have to give makeup artists on YouTube so much credit because it is really not fun to have 5 extremely bright lights on your face and have a camera 2 feet away from you, recording you with no makeup on. It's not fun for thousands or millions of people to see. Like, I'd rather not, thanks though. But you know, you always gotta face your fears, and that's what I'm doing right now. So if your first reaction to the title of this video was like, oh my god, another person using Jeffree Star's name for views, well, you would definitely be correct thinking that I'm using his name for views. I definitely am, yeah, for sure. Okay, so there's this trend going around. I'm sure you guys have seen it. All these YouTubers are doing it. I love that term. Thank you, Johnny Marbles, for coming up with the term YouTubers. It's great. And they're doing the whole I tried to follow blank's makeup tutorial. So this all started with this YouTuber named Thomas Hubbard who started this whole trend, or like, I think some people did it before him, but he kind of like made it a big thing. And he's amazing. He's a makeup artist, so funny. You guys need to check out his channel. It'll be linked right below for you. So I'm here today to use Jeffree Star's name for views. And hopefully, you know, slay some makeup. So before we start with this video, I have very little makeup. Okay, I have 2 palettes, the Naked palette and a Morphe palette, and they're all very neutral colors. So basically, I'm not a makeup artist, but I can do makeup, and I can do it well. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not bad at makeup, and I'm actually gonna try in this video. It's not gonna be, I don't think it's gonna be that funny. It might be very funny, but like, I'm actually gonna try, and I'm not gonna make a joke out of this. So if you wanted that, then sorry, you should probably just click out of this video. So I have very limited makeup, and I'm definitely not gonna have anything that Jeffree Star has, I don't think. But I'm gonna make do with what I have, and I'm still gonna slay my face. Hopefully it's not extremely tragic what I do to my face right now, but it could be. It very well could be. And you guys, I finally got my 100,000 subscriber plaque. Like, very, very late, but I got it. After, you know, harassing YouTube 100 times, I finally got it. But you know what? That's all that matters. I love you guys so much, and I thank you for being here and supporting me. 5 months ago, I think I had 5,000 subscribers. So, you guys, I just want to say that anything is possible as long as you put in the hard work and never give up. People are always going to bring you down and tell you you can't do something, and they're always going to be shady, but listen, you have to believe in yourself or else you're never going to get anywhere in life. So you guys, let's just continue to keep my channel extremely positive and support one another. Alright you guys, I am done with my speech, so let's get this video started. Okay, so the Jeffree Star makeup tutorial that I picked today to do on my face is the Morphe 350 makeup tutorial, because that is the only palette that I have, besides the Naked palette. I don't know, I feel kind of confident in this, but
What's up, everyone?
Hi, Jeffree. What's up?
Thanks. Today I am bringing you some warm-toned, sultry, smoky.
Yes, you are,
drama.
girl.
I thought I'd give something a little different than what I normally do, meaning color-wise. Now, today I used a new primer and a new foundation. There are so many makeup products.
By the way, you guys, this is 2016 Jeffree. Like, he looks so different. It's so crazy.
All right, let's get started.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna break away from my usual priming routine and foundation and try some new stuff.
I'm not.
Now, everyone has been raving about the La Mer, the Mist primer. I'm just gonna take this.
Great. I
now,
don't have
foundation. I have
that,
seen
so
many people using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD sticks. I know Nikki is a big fan of them.
I also don't have foundation.
Why?
But I do have this tinted moisturizer. This is like my favorite thing ever. Okay. And I'm gonna do like 2 layers of my face. That way it's like super cakey and amazing, okay? What does he use to apply it? Because I got brushes, girl. I got plenty of brushes, okay? He's using a beauty blender. Okay, I got one. I got that, okay. So apparently, like, I don't have a small mirror, so I basically have a full-length mirror that I just put up right over here. So, yeah. I'm just gonna put this on my face. So basically, I just, you know, plop this on my face like this. Because I don't like to put it on my hands. I don't like to have to, like, wash my hands after I, like, put makeup on, you know? That's, like, a lot of work. Okay. Hi, what's up? I'm so cute. Yes. Ooh. See, okay, but we got coverage though, like high coverage. They claim to be a tinted moisturizer. Girl, a little more than tinted. You know what the most annoying thing about being platinum blonde is? That makeup gets in your hair so much. You know what the greatest part about like makeup tutorials or like doing your makeup for camera? You can put on so much makeup and it like doesn't look like you're wearing any when you're on camera. Yeah, there we go. It's all in my hair. Cute. I'm gonna put on one more layer just so I can be like really caked up today. Today is just gonna be like a what would Jeffree do type of day. Oh my God, I'm like a ghost. All right, I've been doing this for probably 5 minutes now. Like, I don't know how people have the time to put this much makeup on. Like, I haven't even started doing my makeup. It's like just the foundation. Okay, I'm done. Okay. What else, Jeffree?
Now, before I set it with powder, I'm gonna try the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Anti-Crease Concealer. I got a really light shade. This is Y21. Tap some.
I think I have concealer.
I'm not a big fan of concealer under the eye, as I personally don't need it, but I love it for brightening.
Wow, has he changed or what? Now he's like all about the Shape Tape and everything, isn't he? No concealer under the eyes, girl. What, who, Jeffree, where? Is that you? Okay, I have this really old, like, I don't even know what brand this is. Revlon concealer, because I'm classy. But I literally never, ever wear concealer, but like, okay. But we're about to do it. We're about to conceal the living shit out of my face. This low-key looks kind of good. What? I'm kind of shook.
Finish this off with complete powder, a little contour.
Oh God, I hate powder.
If you want to see that, go back.
Okay, well I'm just gonna wing it, I guess. I think he just puts powder over everything. Oh, he did his brows too. Okay. So I'm gonna put powder over everything, contour, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of brow shaping, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do the eyes with Jeffree, okay? Do I look as good as he does?
If you've never heard of this, you must have been sleeping under a rock. If you have never used Morphe shadows, they are really pigmented.
Really pigmented.
Price. I also
the most
sell
pigmented.
on Morphe brushes. First of all, I'm going to be
okay.
dipping into these light colors. So
what brush is that?
My MAC 252 brush.
Oh, 252.
And
got
I'm
it.
Gonna, take this color and put it right below the brow. I am going to add some shimmer in a little bit.
Okay. Okay. I have my knockoff MAC brush. This one looks sort of like that one. I think it's just a different color, but we're gonna use this one. Hold on. Okay, right under the brow bone. Gorge. Oh, gorge. Okay. Done.
For the transition color, I'm going to be dipping into this orange one.
Okay.
I love this shade.
I never used that one.
Really pigmented.
Oh, it's
this
soy pigmented.
Blending brush number 20, and I'm just going to place that right in my crease and blend out. Okay. I'm going to take that and bring it into the brow bone.
Girl, I got a blending brush. Okay, check it out. This is, I don't know, like CVS brand. Yeah. Okay. So pigmented. So pigmented. So pigmented. Okay. He said we're gonna put it into this thing. Oh my God, how do people do this on camera? This is impossible. Okay. I feel so weird. Oh no. Okay, I can do this. Oh my god, I'm trying so hard right now. No, come on, Brad, you can do this. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. Oh no. I don't have a brow bone though. I can't even talk while I do this. This is really hard. So he said to put it in my crease, but I basically put it over my whole eyelid. Why does his look so much more pigmented than mine? Wait, I didn't contour yet. What am I doing? Oh my god, I'm sorry, Jeffree. I'm letting you down. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, I just contoured. Do I look better? Do I look snatched?
What I love to do is take the MAC Fix Plus. This is the
Oh,
coconut
oh my
flavor,
god.
and spray the brush a little bit.
Oh,
for that
that's pretty.
metallic moment. And then once you go on the lid, hide it.
Oh!
I'm just gonna take this.
Hi, Pigment. How are you? Okay, so I don't have that Fix Plus-ish, but I have this NYX matte finishing spray because I'm classy. Okay. I'm gonna dip back into my little thingy over here. I'm gonna put more on my eye. Oh, okay. Oh, hell yeah.
Bam. This is a matte shadow, so I'm just gonna tuck this in my crease right above that copper shimmer, just so my lids look really dark and dramatic, and just kind of go over that darkness.
Oh,
just so it blends
okay,
out
drama.
nicely.
I hate myself right now. This entire time, I'm like struggling with this mirror situation, and I have one right here in this naked palette. Like, okay, Morphe, where's your mirror? I don't see you. But we're gonna blend, because you know what? Blending makes everything better in life. You guys, I genuinely think this looks like kind of good. I told you I was really gonna try on this, and like, girl, I'm putting in the work right now. Okay, next.
My under eyes. Now for the inner rim, I'm going to be using
Rim.
the Anastasia Pro pencil. I love this. It's not
I don't have
stark
that.
white like I normally do. It's more of a nude color. And I'm just going to take my beauty blender as always.
I'm gonna put concealer there because I don't have that. I might go blind, but it's okay. It's for YouTube. I'm gonna use my 25897 brush. And I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on this thing. And I'm gonna, you know, make myself go blind. Wait, that actually looks... Oh. Wait, that looks like the same as Jeffree's. I can't see, but that... Ow. I can't see anything. Okay, I'm almost not blind again. Oh my god. My eyes are so sensitive.
Transition color that we used earlier, which is this guy. And I'm going to actually mix it with this other bronzy color. So it's
We're mixing?
color. I'm going to lightly just go under where I just did the liner. You can just skip this part and just do mascara if you're not feeling as dramatic. But
Girl, I'm always feeling dramatic. So here we go. This little brush. It's like the same thing as his, right? Except mine's like $5 and his is like 100. Okay. We're gonna dip into these two. Make our own custom color, as Jeffree said. This is kind of scary how like decent this looks. Oh my god. I should like follow makeup tutorials more often.
I'm going to basically connect this inner part with the glow. There we go. And I'm just buffing really soft motions.
I kind of feel really pretty right now, even though I can't see.
And I'm actually going to dip into this metallic shimmer up here. Hello, metallic.
Hi,
Now I'm
Metallic,
just
what's
gonna
up?
take it under my brow bone and just buff it on a little bit, just to have a little bit more depth and shine. With your finger. This
I don't
is
have that.
peach, and I'm just going to apply this.
Oh, that looks so pretty. I wish I had that.
Love that soft metallic look. Mascara. So today I'm going to be using the Ultra Noir
Hey, sisters.
Black Mascara.
Okay, mascara. I have like dollar store mascara. No, really. Oh, it's Wet n Wild actually. It's cute though. It works. It works okay. And I don't have fake eyelashes, so sorry. I wish I did. Do I? No, I don't. That's so upsetting. I don't have lashes. Sorry, you guys. I know. It would have been cute if I did.
My pink and the pearl and create that own little look. Let's see if this really soft and pretty.
Ooh, okay. And we're just gonna highlight everything because that's what Jeffree would do.
Really soft and velvety, and I'm gonna take this.
Do you see
brush
that?
actually and just put some on it and put it
I'm highlighted for the gods.
So basically,
Okay, he's putting lipstick on now. I only have one lipstick,
the lipstick is dry.
and it's a little intense, but you know what? It's this Smashbox sample of this extremely red glittery lipstick. And you know what? We're here today. We're gonna go for it. We're gonna do the full thing. I'm putting this lipstick on. It's gonna be cute. And I've actually never worn lipstick. I think I've worn it once. But I feel like it's gonna be chic or whatever. It's gonna look good with the eyes, I feel like, right? Red with this, I don't know. This is so hard. This is the hardest thing ever. Oh my god. These juicy lips. Oh my god, I'm kind of obsessed. Okay, juicy lips. Oh. I mean, apparently those lip injections really paid off. I just never noticed because I never wear lipstick. I mean, was that the secret, to wear lipstick? Oh. I'm feeling myself.
Now it's time to set the base, and I'm gonna go back in with that MAC.
Oh, okay.
And I'm just gonna.
My favorite part. I've always wanted to do this on camera.
And this look is officially complete.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. I feel slightly weird because I never wear lipstick and I feel like I can't talk or else I'm gonna mess it up. But I'm pretty obsessed with this look. I think I did a really decent job. Let me know what you guys think. Did I completely fail or did I kind of slay this makeup? Because I feel like I kind of slayed it, okay? I'm actually surprised though how much I've learned from this tutorial because I've never actually followed a makeup tutorial, but I watch them all the time just for fun, and it's stress relieving to watch makeup tutorials. I'm sure you guys know what I mean. But I've never actually followed one, and this is kind of cool that you can follow them and do it at home on yourself, and it kind of actually works out. I'm kind of shook. And now I officially know what it's like to be a YouTuber. Thank you, Jeffree, for the amazing tutorial. Seriously, I learned so much, and you're amazing, and hopefully I get to meet you one day. If you guys want to live your life as extra as I live mine, then definitely check out my Live Your Extra Life merch at fanjoy.co/Brad. It is so cute. All right, I don't know if I'm gonna watch this off quite yet. I might have to go out or do something right now, even though it's only 4 in the afternoon. But girl, it's New York City. We party all day, every day. So I might just have to go to a bar and just try out this new look. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Don't forget to live your extra life, and I will see you all next time. Peace. I'm feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling my.